The Arizona Supreme Court is using new AI avatar technology to help communicate better with the public. Take a look.
I'm Daniel, one of the Arizona Supreme Court's new AI reporters. You might be wondering why the court decided to use an AI-generated spokesperson like me to share its news. The answer is simple. We want to help you understand the court and its decisions better and want to make sure you get accurate information directly from us in a timely way.
To learn more about the Supreme Court's use of AI technology, we welcome State Supreme Court Chief Justice Ann Scott Timmer. Good to see you again.
It's nice to see you. Thanks for having me.
Okay, what we just watched, that's not real.
It's not real.
Goodness gracious. I mean, how do you feel about that?
It's a little terrifying to see something
Yes.
that looks so real, which is why the very first thing these reporters say is we're AI generated.
Okay, why go this particular route?
Well, this is something I've been thinking about for a while, and the court has been wanting to do, which is get out and communicate more directly with people who are interested in our decisions and whatever else we're up to with what we're doing. So try to not rely on the media to report our decisions. So we now do press releases to explain what a decision is about in more layperson's terms. But I wanted video because video is where people get their news. They don't have time to read through this stuff. So we were thinking about people to use and what should we do. And our PIO, Alberto Rodriguez, brought it to us saying, hey, we can get avatars to do it. And we sold.
Okay, and so I think that was, we saw, that was Daniel, correct?
That was Daniel.
And Victoria is also an AI generator. She doesn't exist either. She's not real either.
She's not real either.
Not real. Okay, who puts the words in their mouths? I mean, are they just making this stuff up? They're not making this stuff.
No, they are. This is not use of generative AI to dissect our opinions to come up with what they think is relevant. This is coming right from the justices themselves, ourselves. So we write, whoever the authoring justice is for an opinion will author the first stab at a press release. And all of the justices on the court must approve that, and then also approve a voiced script for the avatars to speak. So really, you're hearing our voices through these avatars.
But why, again, use the avatar when everything you said could have been done by a real human being?
Well, you can't do it as quickly. We found that out. You know, as you know, since you do TV, it takes a while to make a production. It takes a while to maybe you have take one, take two. We would never hold up an opinion waiting for the person to be available to be able to be the spokesperson. So with this, it can be fed in to a computer. It takes 20 minutes to come out. I'm also hoping to be able possibly to do this in other languages, in Spanish, that kind of thing. So that's something that we're set for the future to explore for now.
And again, those are things that can turn on a dime because of this technology.
Exactly.
Yeah. The court's ruling on the 19th century abortion law, there was a lot of reporting on that. There was some confusion. How much of this is because of that?
Not much. I've been thinking about this for a couple of years, as I said. I started my term as Chief Justice in July, and it was immediately part of our strategic agenda to do more in promoting people's faith and confidence in the courts, which includes letting them know what we do. I have to tell you, with that abortion decision, I did have the thought thinking, gosh, I wish we had these things in place now with and in retrospect, our own kind of a summary distilling of what this opinion means, what it doesn't mean, here's the key takeaway, that kind of thing, and with a video would have been great.
So did you think, just out of curiosity, did you think the court mishandled that narrative a bit?
Mishandled's a strong term. I wish that we had the insight to do this kind of thing sooner.
Okay, so now Victoria and Daniel, are they being used now? Are they already at work?
Yes, they're at work.
So they're already working.
They're working. If you go to our website today, you will see Newsroom with their little pictures on it, and you can click on it. And for every decision that comes out, I think we have a new case coming out tomorrow. It will issue simultaneously the opinion, the news release, and then you can just see what it's about from one of them.
So every single decision, you're going to have these avatars doing their business?
Yes, every single one.
Wow. Was there much debate among the justices about this? Was there any discouraging words or wait a minute, let's hold off here?
No discouraging words. I think we are all very cognizant of the fact that we need to be better at communicating with people directly and accurately about what our opinions say. So this was fully embraced by everyone.
Yeah, and is there plans now for the future, use of AI in different forms, different ways? You kind of referred to this earlier, but to expand the role of AI in different ways?
Sure, we use it now for quite a bit. We just launched something, built a bot that will help people who have traffic tickets, for example. If you want to walk you through,
That's right.
this is what I need, how can I get a traffic ticket? And it's more personalized to you. We have others with something called Gavel, which will walk you through what you need and where you're going to go. So I anticipate we'll do more of that. I'd like to do more with the avatars for teaching people.
Yes.
So we're also going to be using them we'll get a third avatar, no name yet, which will teach you and help you out when you're helping yourself in court.
Chief Justice Ann Scott Timmer, Arizona Supreme Court, good to have you here, good to see you again. You're real now, you're the real.
This is me.
All right.
I know. I would look better if it wasn't me.
Double checking now. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you so much.